Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a special unboxing, something coming in from Kansept. They wanted to send me a knife that reached out, and I said, sure, I'd love to check it out. I have yet to have a knife given to me by Kansept and to check out, and probably will be a member, not a members, but a channel giveaway. So let's take a look at this. All right, today I'm opening up my knife with my Utzler. This is the Duckling, so let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so we got a box here. Let's see, we got a little receipt in here. Let's see here, just a little invoice. All right, so this is, ooh, the Mini Korvid cleaver. Oh, cleaver, I've yet to check out a cleaver. All right. Now, I've been given Kansept knives. I've actually given one away because somebody gave one to the channel. Tyler Williams gave us a Finera that we gave away. That was really cool. Wow, okay. Very typical, normal packaging you get in here. You get a little Kansept cloth, nice little micro cloth. Let's take a look at what else is in here. This is the first time I'm opening up one brand new. So you get the little packet, talks a little bit about cleaning the knife, all sorts of stuff. So that's what you get in there. Nice little cloth, nice blue microfiber cloth. So very, very cool. Okay. What else do we have? Now we have the pocket knife in here. It's not a huge one, that's for sure. So a little silicate packet. All right, so is it even in? Whoa, it's, oh my gosh, it's, where is it? Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Holy cow, no way. Oh my gosh, no way, this thing is so small. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look at this thing, this is crazy. This is insane. Wow, I mean, this thing, I can cover it with 2 fingers. Look at this. Okay, so it's fire anodized. It's a 2-finger knife. Looks like you can front flip it. All right, let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. I can flip it. Oh my gosh, now can I close it? I can close it. Can I top flip it? I don't know if can I hold it and do the flip? You sort of can. It's hard to do. Let's try that again. Yeah. Okay. I think if I can get up here. Okay, now there's a fuller there. Let's see. Can we use a fuller? It's hard. Boy, this is, yeah. Oof. All right, flipper is the only thing I can do. This is definitely for smaller hands. Wow. So what are we dealing with here? We're dealing with S35VN blade steel. All right, Mini Korvid. Okay, so that looks like the design logo right there. You see that Mini Korvid? All right, and then over here we got the Kansept, and then it looks like probably the part number. Okay, so satin finish, nice satin finish blade. It's rounded up here. Nice little finish. It's not too sharp. It's pretty got aggressive jimping up there. That's not really. You cannot choke up on that. I can do 2 fingers on this, and that's it. 2 fingers. Definitely a sort of a pinch grip. So it's 1 finger like this. A box cutter, sort of thing, right? No weight relief, but 2 standoffs in the back. This fire anodized is all the way around. That is just stinking cool. Steel bar insert, over travel stop. Is it over travel stop? Oh, now I gotta see, because it feels like it has everything. Oh, it does have an over travel stop. Okay, that's okay. That's just really cool. All right, is it fire anodized on the inside too? Hold on, I didn't even see that. No way, is it? It is. Okay, all the way on the inside to outside. All right, cool. So I don't know if you can see that. Beautiful. All right, so let's see. You got to zoom in on this guy. I mean, I zoom in, it's still a whole shot of the knife. There it is. All right, so there's the thumbnail. That's the money shot right there. Look at that. Right there. It's actually a pretty good shot, I think. I like that. All right, so let's look at the back of it here. We got the clip. No clip. Oh, okay, no clip. This is going to be like a little pocket knife, a 5th pocket knife for real. You could almost get like a little leather sheath or something for it, right? That almost would work if you had something like that. Let's see, can we get some of the reflection on there? There we go. There's the blade right there. Not bad. Let's look at here's the jimping on the top. Nice little scoop that you can put your finger in there. All right, so chamfered all the way around, no sharp spots. This little flipper thing works well. I can't choke up here. I don't have small enough fingers for a choke up position, but it's 2 fingers right there and hold it like that. That's the best I can do. So be careful with the cuts, right? Unless you got smaller hands. Love the blade shape. This is my first kind of cleaver. You can clear that. Where's the detent? Let's see, where's the detent? You clear the detent about right there. So if I can get it to about right there, then I should be able to, yeah, you can kind of drop shut it. The little lock bar right there. Yeah, I can flip it on that side. This might be a two-handed one for me. I can top flip it. It's just a little slippery. So I don't really have a place to where I can hold it well. Yeah. Nah, that's really hard. That's a little difficult for me, but it's still a cool knife. All right, so we got lock bar axis, a little cutaway, a little chamfering there. That definitely works. That drops down there, so that's pretty amazing. All right, nice. Okay, am I going to clear that? Yeah, okay, no, definitely protected. Pretty good hand-to-blade ratio. Oh, man, this could almost work if it's just a little bit bigger. I mean, it flips. That's all I can do. It could potentially do these other things if I didn't have these gargantuan big hands, right? So I can get it to, I can get the flip as long as I don't put my weight on that lock bar. Definitely can get it flipped. Let's try it again. There we go. So that definitely works. Like I said, the chamfering right there, you can definitely see that. Nice cutaway. There's the pivot. It's not a captive pivot, which you wouldn't expect at this size, right? But I've got to guess with the anodization S35VN blade steel, it's a little nicer knife. It's a small one, but I'm suspecting it's not going to be $20, $30 knife. This might be 50, 60, or 100 bucks. I don't know. I don't know how they work with their prices. You know, I couldn't imagine it would be a $200, $300 knife. That would be, to me, ridiculous, right? Unless this was Damascus or something, but even then, that would be kind of ridiculous. But it is definitely a small knife for sure. It's a little challenging for me to use. So, I mean, if you find this video funny because you're trying to see me engage and handle this knife, it's a challenge. It certainly is a challenge for me. So, just to get a concept about the Kansept, there's the knife in my hand. It is about the size, just a little longer than my middle finger, just a little bit longer. Yeah, so it's not a very big knife for sure at all. Like I said, it's two-finger, got a two-finger grip. That's how I get on here. You can do a little push cut like that. Do have some jimping, so your hand doesn't move around, which is nice. So that's interesting, all right? Very, very cool. Yeah, this will definitely be a giveaway knife. I think it's a cool little guy. So this is the Mini Korvid. Make sure I'm saying that correctly, right? Let me get this on here. It is a Kansept knife, everyday carry, made in China. This is the new pocket. Oh, it doesn't say on here. Where does it say? Oh, it says on the receipt. Hold on. I'll read it over here. It is called the Mini Korvid, the Mini Korvid Cleaver Mini Pocket Knife for men or women, right? I don't think it's just men only can carry this, but if one wants to carry it, it would be cool too. All right. The fuller is nice. It's actually a functional fuller if I could get in there. Let's see. Can I don't know. Can I do this? I'm going to see if I can do this. Yeah, I sort of can, but the front flipper would work if I could hold it, right? That's my only problem. I can't really hold it. And can I do it over here? Yeah, I could do the knuckle if I could hold it. That's the problem. I don't have any place to really hold it. This is where a lanyard loop might actually work really well on something this small for sure. Yeah. All right, so let's listen to that detent. Nice and clickety. One more time. All right, I'm going to do the other side so you can hear it. I'll go right at you. Ready? It's clickety detent. No detent lash, no pivot lash, no blade play. You clear the detent about right there. It's a pretty strong lock bar, and you probably have to for this size and a little knife. You don't want it to pop out, right? You got a flipper. There's no chimping on there, but it works very well, right? You could front flip it if I could just get in there. Yeah, I just have to be able to get in here and do that. And of course, my hand was right on that lock bar. So yeah, there we go. So if I could get in there and have the right leverage, I could do it. That's the only problem. I need to have the right leverage. So like if I held it down like this, I bet, could I? No. Still need to have, it's still a little tight, a little stiff. All right, the Mini Korvid. All right, I'll have to tell you that this is the smallest knife I've ever been given to the channel. They win the prize for the coolest, smallest knife I've ever gotten. That is definitely stinking cool. I don't hate this thing at all. This is kind of a cute thing. You could make this, I mean, realistically, this could be a keychain knife, right? could be a backpack knife. It could be a desk knife. You put a little one. You open up a letter. You just pop it open like this. Let's here. Do that, and there you go. So, do I have a letter that already opened? Yeah, this one over here. Let's look at this one. So, if I come over here and I try to open a letter, yeah, so see? I can just get in there. Now, this one's already been opened over here, so let me see if I can get in this way. Yeah. So, I don't think it's super sharp. I'm pretty sure it's not. No, it's not. We'd have to strop it a little bit. But there you go. Interesting little knife. Definitely worth checking out. All right, so that's the Mini Korvid, the Mini Cleaver, Mini Korvid. It's kind of crazy. All right, it's like so small, but I love it. All right, well, thank you, Kansept, for letting me check it out. I will actually review this knife. I will try to see if I can figure out the ergonomics and make it work for me without cutting myself. If I can, cool, and I'll share that with you guys, especially with someone with big old meaty fingers like myself, because that will be the challenge for me. Whereas I might not have given it a chance, but since they gave it to the channel, I was like, I got to give it a chance. We got to try it. So thank you to Kansept for allowing me to check this knife out. I did not pay for this knife. This was given to the channel. I'm giving you my honest review. If I didn't like it, I would tell you, but it is just such a ridiculously fun little knife that it's not ergonomically feasible for me, and I bet the bigger knife would work so much better, but it is a fun knife. It's a fun little knife for sure. So it is almost hilarious just trying to be able to work this thing. So definitely a cool little guy. All right, thank you. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the live stream, comments, who's just there. Thank you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down there below as well so you can be notified of future content like this video. And a big shout out to all my channel members. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. You guys encourage me so many times, and you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. So I just want to say I appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, and if you're interested, there is a link down below in the description on how to be a channel member. I have 3 different tiers. Please don't ever feel obligated. Don't ever be a member because you feel obligated. But if you're interested, I'm grateful and I'm humbled. But if you do become a member, I do 2 exclusive things for channel members. I do a once-a-month members giveaway, and I also make sure that all brand new channel members or anybody who's a channel member who's currently an active channel member and you've never gotten a channel member sticker, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker. But for the first one, I try to make sure that all channel members have an opportunity for once a month to do a members giveaway. And it's definitely a nicer knife than a little budget banger I try to do every week. So if you're interested in any of that, if that sounds cool to you, sounds fun, I'd love to have you for that. Sometimes some people just enter, just become a member for a month, and that's totally okay, just to do the giveaway. Maybe you like the stickers. Maybe you just thought, hey, it's cool to support Rob's Nerdy Knives. However you do it, and if you do it, thank you. I appreciate you. Just want you to know that. So the other thing is, if you haven't already, also maybe check me out on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.